Hi, it's Ryan from Foxtecc. Today, I'm going to answer a common question. Can you delete photos from your iPhone and still keep them in Google Photos? The short answer is yes, but there are a few steps you need to follow to make sure everything is backed up properly. Let's dive into it. First, the key thing to understand is that Google Photos and Apple's built-in Photos app are managed separately. So even if you delete a photo from your iPhone's Photos app, it won't automatically disappear from Google Photos, provided it's already backed up. Here's how to make sure everything's in place. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Then, go into the app settings and ensure that Backup and Sync is enabled. This will allow Google Photos to upload all your photos and videos from your device to the cloud. It's important to wait until all your photos finish uploading before proceeding to the next step. You'll know they're backed up when there's no upload progress bar or alert showing in Google Photos. Once all your photos are safely stored in Google Photos, you can go ahead and free up some space on your iPhone. To do this, open the Photos app on your iPhone. That's Apple's default photo management app. Select the photos you want to delete and tap the trash icon to remove them from your device. This will delete them from your iPhone's storage but won't affect your Google Photos library, so your photos will remain safely stored there. By following these steps, you can clear space on your iPhone without worrying about losing any of your important photos. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you later.